Do you know that with just 1,000 naira you can become a millionaire? Yes, this is not a Ponzi scheme. This is not a get rich quick scheme. I'll be showing you how you can invest in the financial market, in the security exchange market, and make a whole lot of money. Now, that 1,000 naira that you look at it as though it's nothing you use in climbing Okada is something. It's a seed for your investment you can use. Now do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell for more updates like this. Now on this channel we'll focus on everything personal finance, how you can make money, manage money, and multiply money. I am Chris, an ex-investment banker, a chartered accountant, and an economist. Now straight into the video. In this video I'll be showing you, watch till the end, how you can invest in the money market mutual fund. I love this one so much because it's my favorite. It guarantees capital preservation because your money is invested in fixed income securities that are short-term in nature, like treasury bills, federal government bonds, commercial papers, bank placement, or fixed deposit. So what are mutual funds? Mutual fund is a pool of investors' funds that are used to invest in different asset class. Now imagine 10 people come together, gather money, and buy a bus. Then they give this bus to a trustworthy, expert, reliable driver, and this driver is driving this bus as a commercial bus, making money, going to different states, making money, and bringing the interest to share among these 10 people that contributed to buy the bus, and then him himself gets a percentage for being their driver. So mutual fund, you gather your money, you give it, different people gather their money, give it to an expert, and the expert invests the money in different asset class and then pay them interest or dividends back, sometimes quarterly. Like in money market mutual fund, usually is quarterly. So you see your money growing every day. You see your money growing every day. Now imagine you are investing 1,000 naira every day in the money market mutual fund. Now usually the minimum for most asset management firm is 5,000 naira. Now 1,000 naira for a week is 7,000 naira, and for 1 month is roughly 30,000 naira. Imagine every month you are investing 1,000 naira for 30 years. All the money you would have contributed would be 10 million plus that you have contributed in your money market mutual fund. Now your return would appreciate in that 30 years. You would have made over 158 million naira. Why? Because of compound interest. So your interest is regenerating interest for you. Your money is bringing more money for you while you are sleeping. So it's a good way of any passive income. It's a very good way of any passive income. One good thing about it is that your capital is secured. On the average, it has been returning over 15% on the average. So the money market mutual fund is for low risk investors, people that don't want to suffer themselves, to who their risk appetite is very low, who don't have the time to be timing the market, to be calculating the charts, to understand the graphs of any company or the financial statement or the history or the financial history of any company. Imagine you want to invest in 10 different companies or 100 different companies, and you want to start studying their financial history of each company. It can be very tedious, but with money market mutual fund, your funds are secured because it's invested in a short-term instrument and fixed income that are secured. If you're coming across our channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on our next upload.